Hello, good day everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today in our maths lesson, we are going to talk about adding and subtracting units of capacity. And for our starter activity, answer the three questions based on the different pictures and the measurement given. Question 1. Which object has capacity of a half liter? Number 2. Which two objects have a total capacity of 300 ml? And number 3, what is the difference between object F and object A? You have 3 minutes to answer these questions. Pause the video and write your answers. Now time is up. Here are the answers. For question 1, which object has the capacity of a half liter? The answer is letter C. In our previous lesson, we learned about the conversions. So, half a liter is equal to 500 ml, since 1 liter is 1000 milliliters or ml. Number 2, which two objects have a total capacity of 300 ml? The answer is A and B. A and B, so A has 200 ml, while B has 100 ml. So 200 plus 100 ml is equal to 300 ml. And for question 3, what is the difference between object F and object A? The answer is 800 ml. As we all know, 1 liter is 1000 milliliters. So 1000 milliliters minus 200 ml is equal to 800 ml. Did you get all the correct answers? Good job. If not, stay tuned and learn from this video. So if you got 1 or less, you are red. You need more help, so you have to listen to this video carefully. If you get 2, you are in yellow, you're getting there. And if you get 3, you can do this. You already have knowledge about adding and subtracting capacity. We're just going to enrich your knowledge, and we will use that to solve some problems later on. Our learning objective is to add and subtract units of capacity. Success criteria. I can add and subtract two similar units of capacity. I can add and subtract two different units of capacity. That includes liters and milliliters. Then, I can apply my previous knowledge to add and subtract units of capacity. So you have learned already to convert. Now, you may use different strategy on how to subtract or add units of capacity using either mental maths or mental calculations, or you may do the columnar addition and subtractions. I can justify my answer using inverse operation. So if you are unsure about your answers, you may use inverse operation. So if you're doing the subtraction, you may check your answer by doing the addition in reverse order. And if you're doing the addition, you may do the reverse operation by doing the subtraction in the reverse manner. Capacity. So we had learned from my previous video about the conversions. So I'm just going to refresh you. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. 1/2 liter is equal to 500 milliliters. 3/4 liters is equal to 750 milliliters. And 1/4 or quarter liter is equal to 250 milliliters. Now, let's try this. 3000 ml plus 2000 ml. What is the answer in liters? All right, so we have the same units. So, and also we have 4-digit numbers. So we can do the columnar additions. So you may write this way, and then you have to add all the numbers by digits. So all the ones, all the tens, all the hundreds, and all the thousands. So 0, 0, 0, 3 plus 2 is 5. Therefore, the answer is 5000 milliliters. But wait, we have to write the answer in liters. Remember, 1000 ml is equal to 1 liter. So if it's 5000, that is equal to 5 liters. So the answer is 5 liters. Let's try these. 1 liter plus 250 ml. Take note that it has different units. Therefore, we have to convert the liter to milliliters first. So it will be easier for us to add them together. So 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. Now we can write the columnar addition. So 1000 plus 250 ml. So add each digit again, 0, 5, 2, and bring down the 1. Now we have 1250 ml. Or simply remove the liter sign, then just put all the numbers together, 1250 and ml. Now let's try another one. This time it's going to be subtraction. So we have 750 ml minus half a liter. Now remember, in our conversion, half a liter is equal to 500 ml. So you can just convert and substitute it first. We have now 500 ml. Then you can do the columnar subtraction. So we have 750 minus 500, so 0 minus 0, 5 minus 0 is 5, 7 minus 5 is 2. So the answer is 250 ml. And finally, if we have this type of number problems, so 2 liters and 350 ml minus 250 ml. So since we have only to minus the milliliters, so you have to focus only on the milliliter digits. So we have to write again in columnar. So just minus 250 from 350, that is going to be 100. Then put the liters down. So we have 2 liters and 100 ml. That is very simple. Now, I'd like you to do it in your own. For activity 1, look at the capacity for each color. For red, it's 1 1/2 liter. For blue, it's 1 liter. For green, it's 400 ml. And for yellow, it's 250 ml. Substitute each color by the measurement for each. Then add or subtract them. You have 4 minutes to do this activity. Pause the video and write your answers. Time is up. Now let's reveal the answers. So we have 400 plus 250. The answer is 650. So for red, it's 1 1/2, so 1500 milliliters. Then the green is 400 milliliters, so the answer is 1900 ml. Blue is 1000 milliliters or 1 liter minus the yellow 250. The answer is 750 ml. Red is 1500 minus 1000 for blue, so the answer is 500 ml. Did you get all the correct answers? Well done. Now let's try another one. This time, this is a little bit harder. Add or subtract each of the liquid in the jar based on the given questions. So if you add 200 ml of water in each of the jug, what would be the new reading? Take a look at the reading for each jar, then add 200 ml on it. For number 2, how much water required to fill each jug up to 800 ml? So you have already your reading here. Just have to think of the number or the capacity to add to this number that would reach to 800 ml for both A and B. And for number 3, how much water should you pour out from each jug to drop down the water level to 300 ml? So from the current reading, you have to pour out until you reach 300 ml. You have 5 minutes to do this activity. Time starts now. Time is up. Now here are the answers. So if we are going to add 200 ml from 750, the answer becomes 950. From, we got 400 plus 200, the answer becomes 600 ml. How much water required to fill each jug to reach 800 ml? So we are currently having 300, 400, 50. So we have 250, 300, 350, 400. It's already 400. So we need 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400. So we need 400 more ml to reach 800. For the letter B, currently this is 550, 600. 600, so we have 50. So this is now by hundreds. Sorry. So this is now in 600. So we need 200 more to reach 800. And finally, we are going to pour out water to reach 300. So this is 250. So this is the 300 level. So how much we will fill out? 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300. So we have to pour out 300 more. Pour out from this measurement to reach 300 ml. So in this, we have 1,500. Then we have 1,600, 1,700. So it goes down to 300 now. 100, 200, 300. This is the 300 level. So we have 2 minus 1,500, 600, 1,700. 1,700 minus 300. So we have 1,400 left. Okay, so we have to pour out 1,400 from the jar, so we will reach 300 ml. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you have learned something today. I know this is a little bit complicated, but with proper practice, you are going to learn more and you will be good in maths. Until next video, see you next time. Enjoy learning and always remember, be the best you can. Bye.